Okay, so hey guys, in this video, I'm going to explain one problem. You can see on my screen, like let's say we have one file and in that we have two lines, okay? And we need a output like this. Like I have to find out like in first line, which is this is one colon, how many characters are there in that line, okay? So that's how I have to print it, like how many lines are there and in each line how many characters are there. So that problem we are going to solve now. So to save time, I have already written the script here, and my file name in which script is written is like line.sh. So I'm going to explain this line by line. So what I'm doing first is here, like I'm setting it I equal to one variable. So this will help me to count the lines present in the file. And after that, what I'm doing is like I'm running a while loop. So while read line is a function in shellscript. Using that, we can read line by line in the file. After that, once after writing that one, we are writing two. So what we need to do inside this while loop, and there what we are doing, like we are calculating the character. So how we are calculating the character in this file, in which those lines are there. In that file, I'm echoing first line and then pi. Pi means in shell script we use pi to append like another command. After that, what we need to do on that line or result of that command. So after that, we are using wc-c. So this is another command to count the character, how many characters are present in that line. So this you can check in Google, like how it works, wc command. And then after that, what I'm doing, I am echoing $1. So in first iteration, it's one. So it is taking from here and then WC, $WC, which is coming from here. So in that line, how many characters are there? So that will be printed here. And after that, the I will be increased by one. So each time it will be increased by one. So first time it will do for the first line, second time it will do for the second line, and it will go on like that, only like line by line. So that's how it will print it. And at last here we are writing done that while loop is completed and $1 is taking argument while running this script. So now we will run this script and we'll see it. So to run this script, what we need to do first is like we need to write sh and then file name. And then we need to provide the file in which those lines are written. So before this, I will show you that file cat ex.txt. So you can see here, like in this file, I have written those two lines. Now I will provide it as a input. Ex.txt. So you can see here, like it is telling that in first line, there are 30 characters. In second line, there are 28 characters. So this is how we can read line by line in a file and we can count. So there are other commands also in WC, like where we can count line, we can count words. So those all things we can combine here. So those all things you can find and you can practice it. So thank you so much guys for watching this video.